In a world of new rules and dimensions, there are many things to explore, both within ourselves and our surroundings. Stand out above the rest with prestige and luxury, a class of its own. Welcome to the all-new Fortuner 2021. Styled to impress, designed to reign supreme as it cruises without a semblance of doubt about its SUV capability. Taking a closer look, the larger grille and sculpted side pontoon-shaped bumper demands admiration. The revitalized LED headlamps light the way to the path of success and recognition. Separated turn signal position lamp create indicative navigation ease. Perfectly balanced, new 18-inch aluminium wheel rims feature multi-axis spokes beaming with chrome metallic finish. High-grade rear combination brake and turn lamps with their new futuristic and sleek design stand out with sophistication and a class of their own. The all-new Fortuner is available in a range of premium colours. A thorough beauty, both inside and out, the all-new Fortuner has a breathtaking interior design featuring an electrochromic rearview mirror, an ample yet sleek dashboard adorned by a dynamic combination meter that showcases the perfect combination of sport and luxury cruising. A calm, showy interior keeps everything feeling luxurious. The instrument panel showcases the newly designed audio head unit with 9-inch display featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The combination meter comes alive with metallic blue dials. This includes an updated MID that features real-time information, a true testament to its performance. The all-new Fortuner is powered by an improved 2.8 diesel engine. Refinements to the engine have been made, resulting in higher power and torque output and better fuel economy. Enjoy fewer vibrations, reduced harshness, and a quieter cabin. Thanks to the addition of an all-new balanced shaft in the 1GD engine, the power steering has been refined with the addition of variable flow control to achieve enhanced fuel economy and natural steering feel that matches the speed. The newly introduced Sport Mode switch improves engine responsiveness, but also adjusts the steering feel thanks to the VFC, which provides a sporty feel while driving. The all-new Fortuner provides unparalleled control over all terrains. The definition of a true SUV, a tough, body-on-frame construction. Toyota's legendary step traction approach allows the driver to go wherever the journey takes them with confidence. Traction Control, TRC, is the first step. For more capability in two-wheel drive mode, the driver can push the TRC off switch to engage Auto LSD. Auto LSD does not limit engine output. It enhances start-off performance by applying drive torque to the wheels that have the best traction. With 4WD high, a TRC engages automatically. A TRC monitors the wheel speed sensors to identify wheel slip, then adjusts the throttle and increases brake pressure to restore traction. For even more traction, the driver can engage four-wheel drive low with a TRC. In four-wheel drive low range, priority is given to engine power and rapid braking. The Fortuner also comes with a rear differential lock that is effective when driving in off-road conditions, when one of the rear wheels is not gaining sufficient traction. The Fortuner experience is about staying in control at all times, providing peace of mind by prioritizing safety. The Fortuner also comes with multiple passive safety features to provide a reassuring sense of security for all passengers. Explore a new dimension. Experience the all-new Fortuner.
The storms we chase are leading us.